Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change default font sizes on Shopify. So first you'll need to go to your Shopify admin, and on this left panel make sure to go and click on online store. You'll find yourself on the themes pages, and that's where you should be. From here you'd be able to go right here in the middle and click on edit theme. Once you do so, this will open a new tab for you or a new page for you. Right here you'd like to go on this left panel and click on this theme settings. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here with all these stuff right here. So we'll have to basically look for typography. Normally, it should be the third option. It might be like fourth or fifth depending on the theme that you're using. In my theme, it's the third. Normally, it will be at the top, like first 5, first 7. It's gonna be below that. So you can go and click on this typography. And as you can see here, you'll find the first thing, fonts. You'll be able to change the fonts right here. So you'll have the body fonts, the subheading fonts, the heading fonts, and the accent font. You'll be able to change that. As you can see, you have multiple fonts from here to choose. So you can change it to whatever suits you, as you can see. So a lot of fonts that you can choose from. Like the list is very big, so let's just change something here. Let's use this one as an example. Let's just go and click on select. And as you can see, for the body, we're using this. For the heading, I'm just going to change that as well into, as an example, this one. Click on select, and it should be changing, as you can see right here in my store right away. Once I change all the fonts that I want, I can go at the top right and click on save button, and everything should be saved. Of course, you can also change the sizes. If you scroll down, as you can see, you'll find the paragraph. You'll find here the sizes of the paragraph. You'll be able to change it as an example to whatever you want. Also, the sizes of the headings. So you'll be able to change it to whatever you want. Maybe as an example, just make it a little bit bigger. For the headings too. So depending on how much headings that you have, you'll have to change it. As an example, I'm just gonna make all my headings bigger. As you can see, this makes that bigger as well. And yeah, that should be it. Click on the save option at the top right. Again, and the saves should be, or the changes should be saved. Of course, you'll be able to do that also using CSS if you're good at coding, but that's a little bit advanced, so we're not going to cover that in this video. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.